Hello you all, welcome to my channel Dip in Love, and I'm going to start a series all about the basic, in which today we are going to talk about some basic seam, plain seam, French seam and flattened felt. So for plain seam, you need to take two fabrics like this. And mark a line leaving 1 centimeter margin on the top layer. Draw a line and secure the two layers using draping pins so the layers won't move while stitching. Okay, I'll apply a stitch on top of this and we'll be right back. This is the finished look of plain seam. So next seam is French seam. This is also called magic seam because this is reversible. You can use this on garment and the garment will also be reversible. So for the first seam in French seam, you have to take approximately half centimeter margin. Always remove the excess if there is any, and this remaining part is called hairline seam. You have to turn the fabric and have to apply iron on top of that, or maybe you can just press with the help of your nail, and then it will be more crisp. And apply a centimeter. Then draw a line leaving 1 centimeter margin. Okay, so this is done. Cut the threads to provide a more finished look, and now you can see there is no fray on the wrong side as well as on the main side of the garment or fabric. For third seam, you need to take bottom layer little bigger, approximately 0.5 centimeter bigger than the upper layer. Okay, and then draw a line taking 1 centimeter away, 1 centimeter margin on the upper layer, considering it, and then apply a stitch on top of this. After applying a stitch, I also ironed this margin on the same side here, and then you need to open this fold and turn this towards the left side. After turning it towards the left side, we have to give a hairline stitch on top of this. Trim all the threads. And now this is done. So I was using a contrast thread to make it more visible on camera, but you should always use a matching thread to make it just disappear